Hi guys, in the Vice we have a Union 5 rim cylinder working key. Comes to me by way of Tensor Spider. We'll have a go at cracking them open now. Now, every time I turn the camera on with this one, it won't open. I turn the camera off, I can open it within 60 seconds or so, but then I turn the camera back on, it won't open. So I'll give it some magic smoke. We will try. I think maybe I'm holding my arms differently when the camera's in the way. That may well be what the problem is.
Financial crisis on Stowe Creek. Chris and Nika face a serious cash crunch.
Don't really need 3 people. That's money we don't have.
Well, then we scale right back and we get rid of one person.
Their best option is to let one of the rookie mine hands go.
Yeah.
Sherry or Chanel is on the chopping block.
Or I'm going to have to move this camera back because it's getting in the way. Because I can feel which ones. Now we're getting feedback.
What are you doing, Buster? What about taking this morning?
On 10 Mile Creek.
Hey Gary, you got a minute?
Yeah.
Backed into a corner, Cam has a painful decision to make.
Gary, I have nothing really for you to weld anymore. Donovan being froze up like that, Gary, it's just too much.
Yeah.
I'm just overstaffed as we speak. Gary is part of this family in this mining operation at 10 Mile. Ultimately, I'd love to have his wisdom and his knowledge here all the time, but right now, the dilemmas we face with the frozen ground, I don't get that luxury.
Permafrost stopped Cam from mining. With no gold coming in, he can't afford to keep Gary on the payroll.
You've done it long enough to know when to cut your overhead.
Yeah.
You know.
We're all gonna miss him, but I had to do something. Irregardless, we move forward and make ends meet.
Okay. I'm sad about not being finishing the season here. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself, but we haven't pulled the numbers of goal we wanted. Really don't want to leave, but Cam's got more people they can use. Love you too, kid.
Come on, baby.
Hard thing for Cam to let
Why are you doing this to me?
The reality of life out here, when the gold shows up, it's awesome and everything's good, but when it's not, you gotta make hard decisions. Seeing him leave, hurts everybody.
Alright.
Cam won't miss me. She better miss me anyway.
The top of the world highway.
Well, as you go downhill, you go into hell.
Ken and Guillaume's hunt for a sluice plant takes them to a place they never expected they'd return.
I hope this is the last trip I have to make into Moose Creek.
Mining Moose Creek the past few years nearly ruined Ken.
Left my sweat and blood out there. Moose Creek is a reminder of the bad side of mining. It reminds you that you can lose everything.
Okay. We came here to look at that too.
That attitude is the old sluice plant they left behind when they abandoned Moose Creek.
So is the prize machine right here. The thought of using bad attitude again, it just makes the hair stand up on the back of my neck.
Look at this magnificent deck. Ready to go.
this and I just think of how much money I lost. That attitude's let me down more than once. It would be shaking hands with a guy that just kicked you in the nuts.
Look at that brown hopper just saying, feed me, calling for dirt.
Are you crack? Guillaume has hopes right now because he wants to go mining and he's got a little bit of the gold fever to get some gold.
If this girl's ready to go, I think she could get us through the season. It's better than no option at all.
There's too much work to do to have bad attitude at this time of the season to even consider using it.
Bad attitude. Bad idea.
This thing is nowhere near ready to sluice. I'd just as soon grab some dynamite and blow that prick right up.
Guillaume comes back down to reality.
That'd be rough. We gave up many chances. There's no end to it. You have to let go.
Let's get out of this hellhole. You Moose Creek!
To salvage their season, they have to find a sluice plant. Fast.
A clock is ticking. It's not even the clock is ticking. It's like the clock is flying.
Got it. Fucking hell. 6 minutes. That is ridiculously long.